Cutty cut the TVO text alive. Woa, 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 woa. Commas down, take 2. Q-U-Y is K uppercase. Sorry Q, I'm changing uppercase. It's okay K, just back to normal, take 3. Cutty cut the TVO text RGB colors. Guys, but the D is about to pop everywhere. Woo, a calmer down, take 4. Cut, why y'all up? Oops, sorry. It's okay, turn off to normal, take 5. Extreme cut, we made color blooper. D is screaming, take 6.